Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is an Appetizing Life. And today I am making one of my favorite things, turkey breakfast sausage. But it's one of my favorite things because I love breakfast. I'll have breakfast for lunch, breakfast for dinner, breakfast just because, why not? So I don't want you guys buying any more turkey sausage when you can make something that's really delicious, has a lot of fresh herbs in it. And I'll stop talking. Let me just make this because you guys need to get that in your belly. So let's get started making some fresh turkey sausage. I have fresh herbs, a little rosemary, and a little bit of fresh thyme. And let's get that chopped up. So I'm going to strip the rosemary. That should be enough. We'll do a nice little chop of that. Get it pretty fine. And don't get any of these woody little things in there, little stems. Now you could use a ground dry herb if you'd like. I just prefer the fresh. There it is, pretty fine. Let's strip the thyme. And give that a fine. Okay, I've got my dark turkey meat. I chose that because it's a little bit more moist than just the white. And you want to have this be so moist and flavorful, right? Right. So let's add in all of the flavorings we're going to add in. I have my salt, pepper, garlic granules or garlic powder, dried sage, my thyme, and the fresh rosemary I chopped up. And this is optional. I'm gonna add a little red pepper flake just to give a little bit of heat. And with clean hands, I washed them already, we're just gonna get in there and mix that all together. I know raw meat is not the prettiest thing on camera, but it is what it is, right? So let's get this on a medium-high heat. And I have a non-stick pan. You could use a cast iron pan. I'm gonna go for the non-stick today. I'm gonna use a little avocado oil because it has a lower smoke point. Just eyeballing that. And then we're gonna take the meat. Let's make little patties, cute little patties. There you go. So I'm giving these a flip and mashing them down a little bit. Depending on how thick these are, you're gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes per side, maybe a little less if they're smaller, maybe a little bit more if they're bigger. You just want the inside not to be pink. Okay, the sausages are done. I'm going to transfer them to a plate with a paper towel just to catch any of the extra oil. There's your homemade turkey sausage. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you know every time I put out a new video, which is every Friday morning. And if you'd like to have some other recipes that will go really well with this, just click one of the recipes above. Videos, not recipes, videos. Can't click a recipe. Anyway, just make these. Let me know how you like them. Leave it in the comment below and I will see you in the next video. Looking for a fork? Yum.